everyone, this is Kelsey from Peachtree Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am planning the month of May and I'm using the May monthly kit from Sadie's Stickers. The kit is in gold foil and it has this beautiful like floral and butterfly pattern. First off, I always start with the month side. So this one just says May and it has these beautiful gold butterflies on it. Now I'm just doing the other side. I'm still figuring out how to film, so I didn't quite get this on camera, but you get the point. And next I add in the deco sidebar. I usually get the deco instead of the checklist just because I don't usually use the checklist, and the deco sidebar is always so pretty. I'm just going in with the days of the week, and I usually start mine on Sunday, just like how it usually is in the planner. Now I'm just going in with the other side. And next I'm adding in the boxes that just cover the days from April that are still in that first week. And next I'm just adding some of these like deco full boxes on the holidays. So that one is for Mother's Day, and then these little half boxes, I didn't even realize they probably are meant to put on those little half days, but it fits perfectly. So that one's for Memorial Day. I'm using one of the leftover boxes that go, or like one of the decorative boxes, and I'm putting that for my friend's birthday. And that one, I have a final that day. And then I ended up putting another deco box on the first day of May just because there was like a list of holidays and awareness months and all that, which was nice to know, but I wanted to be able to like use that box, so I put a decorative box on top. And now I'm just adding in the date dots, the date numbers, and then I realized I had another big event, so I put in another full box. I start classes that day. More numbers. I love the numbers. I have little bows on them. They're just so cute. Okay, now I'm just adding in the holidays, and here I am trying to show you. That one's Memorial Day. Then we have Mother's Day. And then Cinco de Mayo. And then I put happy birthday there. Now I'm writing in the first day of classes. And I have a final that first week of May, so I'm using these stickers from Plan a Hannah, starting in final exam. And I have a hair appointment that day, so I'm using a script from LC Stickers. I think it's actually called Chaotic Creations now. And then this day I have CPR training for nursing school, so I'm writing that in. And then now I'm using these class stickers that I got. I got these as a custom script from LC Stickers / Chaotic Creations, and I'll link those down below. And I actually have class Monday through Thursday, 9 to 1, starting in May, so I told you guys I'd be a lot busier, and I definitely will be. I'm really excited. I did just hear that we will be in person all summer long, so that'll be really nice. Then I'm just using another little deco piece And here is the finished spread. And I usually just add in more things, like I'm sure I'll have like tests and quizzes and assignments due, and so I'll just add those in when it gets closer. Now you can really see all of the tiny butterfly details. I think this might be my favorite monthly kit from Sadie Stickers. Alright, but that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.